Pressure from yesterday. 2, what is B?
-16.
Negative 16. C?
29.
29. Okay. What is the formula to start to find the vertex?
Negative parentheses B parentheses over 2 parentheses A.
Okay, this is the formula. Negative B over 2A. Okay. And so I always write mine out and then I go through and erase the B and erase the A. Okay, that way it just is, I don't mess anything. Okay, what is the B? What did you guys say is the B?
Negative 16.
-16. What's the A? 2. Okay, so we're going to type that in the calculator and see what you get.
4.
You guys got 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so 4, this is my XY chart, right? 4 is going to go on my list. Then what do we need to do next? No, before that.
Oh, 5.
5, 6, okay? Because 4, and then on our number line, it would be 5 and 6. Okay, and so now we're going to plug this in, and just so you guys have it, it should look like this. You're going to take the equation that you have up here, and you're going to use it. So it should be 2, well, there's an x. So we're going to use the first number on our list. Is 4 squared minus 16 times 4 plus 29. Hey, why don't you move by Oscar or Shaman or somebody so they can help you? Type in the calculator, and you need a calculator. There's no way that you're gonna be able to do it. Okay, so for that first one, what did you guys get?
-3.
-3. Okay. What about for the 5?
-1.
-1. The 6. 5. Okay, so we're going to start at -4, and then 3. Hopefully my stuff fits on the graph, actually, now that I'm thinking about this. Oh, shoot. Because this graph won't work. Six, 5. This one will. What's the first point?
4, -3.
Oh, I can't graph it. So let me see if I can find one. 6. 4, -3, what else?
5, -1, and 6, 5.
Yeah. It's not gonna happen for me. Okay, so go through and graph it. I can look at it.
Like this.
Yep, that looks good. That looks good.
What if we're confident about this?
Okay. What's your question?
Can we go on?
Oh, yeah, you can. No, there's one that you probably guys won't know how to do, Bill.
Which problem is it so we can start?
I don't know. You'll figure it out when you get there. Okay. Number 3. It's gonna look like negative B. What's my B? -4
It's problem 11.
over 2A. What's my A? 2. Okay, you're gonna put that in your calculator and see what you get. You got 1. Okay, so what comes after 1? 2 and 3. Who is not confident in what they're doing? Just so I know. Hey, Helen, you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Sophia? Darnell? You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
And Jaden, I know you don't know, but I'll help you. Okay, what'd you guys get for the Y?
2
2
and 3.
and 3. What's the other? Huh?
And 10.
And 10? Somebody agree with that?
No. 4. 2, 4, 10.
See, now I don't know. Somebody agree with that?
It's 2, 4, no matter what. It's 10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay, and so that one is ready to be graphed, and I can actually graph this one in here. So we're gonna go to 1, 2. Okay, and then again, we're gonna go over 1 to be at the 2 and go up to 4. We're gonna go over 1 to be at the 3, and then you're gonna go up to 10. Okay, and then we just match that over. So this one, I went over 1, so I'm gonna go over 1 this way and go up to the same level. Okay, this one I'm gonna go over another one and go up to the same level. Okay, all of you guys go to number 11.
Oh, es que ella tiene un papel diferente.
Oh, I guess it doesn't really matter because my number 11 is not the same as your number 11, but
So go to number 11.
yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can find a graph I can use.
Oh, I think you got something.
Y'all
Oh,
go.
Mama's way. No.
Oh, I'm actually gonna graph number 11 on this one, but you just do it on 11. Okay, go to number 11. Don't be stupid. Okay, this is for number 11. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start out with our formula. Negative b. What's my b?
-2.
Negative 2. Over 2, what's my a? Negative 1/2. So it looks funky, but you're still gonna type it. However, the fraction part only goes in that bottom parentheses part. So make sure it looks like the picture of what I have. No. So, no, hit your over arrow and then close it. Yep. Yep, and then make sure you hit your over arrow when you're all the way done to close that full parenthesis.
And then we just plug it in like this.
What happened? I don't, what? I remember. Oh, shit.
Okay, you have to make sure when you get to the bottom parenthesis that you hit that over button to close the parenthesis, not like on the little baby side, okay? Okay, what'd you guys get?
Negative 2.
-2?
Yeah.
Okay, so -2 is gonna be the first number on our list.
And then -3.
-2, so -3 and -4. Okay, and so now when we type it in, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like -1/2, that needs to be a fraction, parenthesis, -2 squared, -2 parenthesis, -2, -6. Okay, so it's a little bit more crazy to type in, but
Listen,
mm,
for this one, it's -9/2. Do you want us to like make it?
hold on, we're-
Yeah, 'cause that's what I got.
you got -9/2?
Yeah.
Is this one up missing?
Yeah, it was from yesterday, so it's gonna be missing if it's not already. So you got -9/2. What is that as a decimal?
No, the first one is -4.
-4?
Yeah.
And then the second one is.
So -4,
It's -4.5 as an estimate.
okay,
No, for -3.
Jesus.
Come on, Cameron.
-4,
Two.
And then -3 is -4.5 as a decimal.
so you got 9/2 though?
Yeah.
Okay, which is -4.5. Okay, and what about the 4? -6? Somebody agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's graph it, okay? So you're gonna go to -2, -4, that's gonna be our vertex. Okay, again, you're just gonna go over 1, and this time go to 4.5, which is gonna be here, kind of in between. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to -4 and 6. Okay, and so we're gonna mirror those over. Okay, and this is the first one that we've done. Is this a stretch or compression?
Stretch.
It's a, okay, so a compression is like this. We compress it and push it together. A stretch makes it really far wide, okay? And so if you look, even flip your paper to the front, see how some of them are really tall and skinny? The fraction, if A is less than 1, okay, is gonna make it really fat and wide out, okay? But the steps are pretty much the same, but you do need, would you know where to graph 9/2? We don't, okay? So you're gonna need a decimal in that case, okay? You